Hey, my name is Debbie, and this is my first attempt on any dating websites, so I just hope I get some replies. I'm a little bit nervous, and so I'm just going to start talking about myself. I'm a graduate from ACU. I love cats. I really like cats. I'm really sorry. I'm getting emotional. Well, okay, I love cats, every kind of cat. I'm sorry, I want to hug all of the cats, and it's crazy because you can't hug every single cat. Just like, even though I want to, and I can't. It's impossible, and sorry. Anytime I ever even hear the word cat, I love cats. But I promised myself I wouldn't cry again. So anyways, I'm a cat lover, and I like to run, and just thinking about cats again, and just think about how many don't have homes, and then how I should have every one of them, and how cute they are, and their just little ears, and their nose, and their whiskers, and just want them in a basket with little bow ties, and to be on a rainbow, and in my bed, and I just want a cat. Okay, I can't do this.